Hello fitness enthusiasts, meet the Pilates Resistance Bands with handles, a versatile TPE Pilates bar kit designed for total body workouts. This durable set features metal buckles, nylon ropes with number scales, and a secure clip for customizable resistance. Crafted with premium steel and EVA foam, the kit includes hand grips, ankle bands, and a door anchor for safe, effective training. What makes this kit unique is its 30-day Bible reading devotional plan, combining spiritual growth with physical strength. Easily portable with a carry bag, it's perfect for workouts at home, the gym, or on the go. The kit offers 6 resistance bands with varying levels up to 180 pounds, ideal for Pilates, yoga, strength training, and physical therapy. Experience a full-body workout targeting arms, legs, back, glutes, and core with this revolutionary Pilates bar set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.